Hey, what's going on, everybody? Wanted to make a quick video. I seem to be getting a lot of questions as far as what am I doing personally as far as my nutritional supplements, and this is nothing new, guys. Only difference is we've changed over to Youngevity's products about 3 months ago now, because they are flat out are the best products you can possibly get a hold of and put into your body, and the results have been spectacular. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview. I'm using my phone, so it may be a little choppy, but just what you see in front of you is pretty much what I take. Not pretty much, it's what I take every single day, 2 or 3 times a day. And guys, it's a must. I mean, if you guys have been watching any of my videos, you know the soils are depleted. The minerals, the nutritional content in the food, vitamins, fatty acids, those are just not present in our foods as they used to be. So it's vitally important to supplement, and this is not something I've just been saying for the last little bit. Those of you guys who know me know that I've been supplementing personally for over 30 years easily, and I've been promoting in my gym and with my clients supplementation to take up the slack of their nutritional program, especially if you're calorie deficient, guys, or on a keto type of diet where you're, you know, high fats and low carb to no carb. You have to supplement. I mean, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You've got to supplement. So I'm going to go over real quick what it is that I do personally every single day. From right to left, we're going to start in the morning. I take the Fit Shake every morning with the greens, and this is again a fantastic start to your day, especially if you don't have time to make yourself a breakfast. For those of you guys who work out, right after your workout it's a great time to to mix up one of these shakes and take it down. It is flippin-tastic. If you guys haven't seen my video on this, you probably should. First thing in the morning, this thing here is an absolute powerhouse. Let me see if I can get a focus. The Tangy Tangerine is an absolute, like I said, a powerhouse blend of, as you can see there, it's a multivitamin mineral complex, probiotics, enzymes, digestive enzymes. There's an herbal complex in there. There is just things that I can't even name off the top of my head. This thing is absolutely loaded. You'd have to spend a couple $100 just to even get close to something like this. We have 2 different flavors. This is the original. This is the one that been really popular lately, but we take, obviously we have both of them. I didn't mention anything about the super grains, but I do have a video on that. That thing is an antioxidant, and it's fabulous as well. So yeah, this is what I do every single morning. Okay. At night, I take the OsteoFX about 20 minutes before I go to bed, and it completely knocks me out. Deep sleep, crazy, crazy dreams. If you can call, sometimes I dream, sometimes I don't. I don't remember some of them, but this thing puts you in a nice REM sleep, which a lot of you guys are not getting REM sleep. But this will definitely help you. Zinc, magnesium, calcium, cofactors, you name it. Essential fatty acids, guys, we don't get enough of this in our diet at all, especially you guys who are vegan or vegetarian. It is hard for you guys to get essential fatty acids in your diet. This is a great way to do it. Glucogel, for anybody who's suffering with any joint issues, knee, joints, cartilage, ligaments. This thing here is a powerhouse. It's a fantastic product. The Sweeties. This you take a couple tablets before every single meal, and it helps. It's essentially a natural insulin, so it helps your body remove the sugars from your bloodstream. And everybody needs help with that here lately, especially recently with all the the sugars that we consume, whether it's pastas or breads, which we highly suggest you guys get rid of that in your diet. But some of us don't, or I do. But a lot of you guys do not and refuse to do it. Well, you need the Sweeties. There's also digestive enzymes that I don't have here, but I do take digestive enzymes before every meal. And this right here, guys, the selenium. See if I can get it to focus. This is an essential nutrient that every single person has to be supplementing. If you don't know why, I mean, I can tell you right off the bat, there's some huge cancer benefits. Look up Dr. Wallach's videos on selenium. He's sued the FDA on selenium claims because the proven facts are the proven facts, and he's won every single time. So look into selenium, guys. If you guys do nothing else, Tangy Tangerine every single day. Selenium and the Sweeties, guys. This is the ticket. There's going to be Nothing better you can put in your body other than these supplements right here, guys. Trust me, I've been doing this for a long, long time. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up as to, see if I can get this to focus, as to what it is. There we go. What it is that I do every single day. I put my money where my mouth is. This is it. There's nothing else out there. You can get these for free every single month, guys. I don't know if you want to, if you're in a tight budget, you want to spend 50, 60 bucks a month to get this supplement. It's a must. But if you got a little bit more, I would suggest a little bit more, especially if you're kids, if you have kids and you want healthy kids. There's nothing better for them than this particular supplement, guys. If you did nothing else, this is it. Period. End of story. Alright, well that's it. That's what I take every single day. There's a couple other things that I also take that are not here. I take a pre-workout, which is Cardio Beats, and I take a post-workout drink called Rebound, which is also fantastic. There's nothing in this line that's garbage, guys. Nothing whatsoever. The results prove it for themselves. Alright, guys. We will leave it here. Take care.